given that 10 exponent x plus 14 exponent x divided by 15 exponent x plus 21 exponent x is equal to 2 whole number 1 over 4. Find the value of x. So we have 10 exponent x plus 14 exponent x divided by 15 exponent x plus 21 exponent x is equal to 2 whole number 1 over 4. Now we can get a common factor out of 10 and 14 by breaking 10 down to 2 times 5 and breaking 14 down to 2 times 7. So 10 can be written as 2 times 5 and the exponent is x. 14 can be written as 2 times 7 and the exponent is x. 15 can be written as 3 times 5 and we have an exponent of x here, plus we can break 21 down to 3 times 7 and we have our exponent, so that we will have a common factor of 3 at the denominator. Then we change the right hand side to an improper fraction. That is 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. So we have 9 over 4. If 2 times 5 are all having an exponent of x, the exponent will affect each number in the bracket. So we will have 2 exponent x times 5 exponent x over here. The exponent here will affect 2 and 7. So we have 2 exponent x times 7 exponent x at the numerator. And at the denominator too, we'll have 3 exponent x times 5 exponent x here. And here we'll have 3 exponent x times 7 exponent x. And we equate it to 9 over 4. We can factorize 2 exponent x at the numerator since it's common here. So we have 2 exponent x. When we factorize 2 exponent x, we will get 5 exponent x plus 7 exponent x. At the denominator, 3 exponent x is common. We can factorize it out, leaving 5 exponent x plus 7 exponent x in the bracket. We equate it to 9 over 4. 5 exponent x plus 7 exponent x is the same at the numerator and denominator. We can cancel them out. Then we have 2 exponent x divided by 3 exponent x is equal to 9 can be written as 3 squared. 4 here can be written as 2 squared. So 9 over 4 becomes 3 squared divided by 2 squared. Two exponent x divided by 3 exponent x can be written as 2 over 3 all exponent x. The exponent can be given to all of them in one bracket. And this can also be written as 3 over 2 all exponent 2. And looking at the left hand side of the equation, we have 2 over 3, but the right hand side is 3 over 2. We want them to be equal. So we have 2 over 3 here, exponent x. Then we find a reciprocal of 3 over 2, which is 2 over 3. And according to the laws of indices, when you find a reciprocal of a number, you have to negate the exponent. So 2 becomes negative 2 here. So now we have the basis to be equal, 2 over 3, 2 over 3 on each side of the equation. So we can equate the exponents. So x is equal to negative 2.